May Measurement Month is an annual global screening campaign that aims to raise awareness around the risks of elevated blood pressure, also known as hypertension. The best way to know if you are at risk is to get routinely checked. So please take some time to roll your sleeves up. This video is all about how to use a digitally validated blood pressure tool at home. If you are going to be doing your blood pressure reading at home, always use a digital validated tool that can be purchased very cheaply online, and make sure it is validated. Try and take 3 readings in one sitting, at least 60 seconds apart. This is so we get an average reading of your systolic and diastolic reading and gives you a more accurate picture of what your blood pressure really is. When taking your blood pressure at home, remember these 3 key things. Always be seated when you're doing your blood pressure reading. You should attach the cuff to the upper part of your arm, and this should be in line generally with your heart. And the other thing to remember, try not to clench your fist, as this can erroneously increase the blood pressure reading. A couple of other tips I always like to remind people of before they do the blood pressure reading is to make sure that they're not having caffeinated drinks in the morning. Make sure that you haven't done exercise or anything that could be strenuous prior to doing your blood pressure reading. Also, if you are feeling anxious or stressed, that will give you an erroneously high blood pressure reading as well. In fact, the best time is probably whilst you're seated watching something relaxing on TV, as that will give us a better overall understanding of what your blood pressure is really like.